Happy Monday. How are you? We are going to start calendar today, and it is a new month. So I want to hear you echo. The month is November. To go over the calendar, we have Bailey's birthday here. We have Yakira and Coy's birthday here. We have no school tomorrow because of Election Day. This is our virtual night you can come to on the Google Meet. We have Veterans Day and no school for Thanksgiving. Okay? So, the month is November. Yesterday was November 1st. If yesterday was the 1st, then today is the 2nd. Filling in the date, it's not October, so it's not 10. It's the next month, so it's 11. November 2nd, 2020. And let's put it in words. November 2nd, 2020. I know that today is Monday. If today is Monday, hop backwards to yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. But remember, no school tomorrow. Last time I saw you, we had been at school 31 days. 31 and another one is going to give us 3 10s and 2 1s, meaning 32. We're going to make 32 cents. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Okay? I have added some new words. These are on the first grade list that came home in one of your earlier packets. If you don't know these, you need to spend some time practicing these. Ben. Right. Mr. There. Own. Work. Let's get our number 114. I say we start at 114 and we count backwards to 100. Here we go. 114, 113, 112, 111, 110, 109, 108, 107, 106, 105, 104, 103, 102, 101, 100. Good work. Drag that back over. Let's get our middle number. 93. What is 1 less? 92. What is 1 more? 94. What is 10 less? Look at your tens, please. Take 1 away. 83. Look at your tens, please. Add 1 more. 103. Good work. All right. 636. 636. Let's look at our hundreds, please. Let's take 1 away for 100 less. What number is it? 536. Let's look at our hundreds, please, and add 100 more. 736. Good job today.